Look at this. Surprise. Which one I will put? Oh, it's cute. It's like basketball. Yeah. Squeeze. Yeah. Oh, that's the gummy candy.
Oh, this is the gummy.
Yeah, and this is the stuff.
The gummy smells very good. I'm gonna transform it to tortilla thing. What?
Where did you put the scissors that I gave you last time?
Gave it back.
Really, I couldn't find it. Can you open? Yeah. Put it in the ano?
I ripped the
In the
paper
bag.
out of it.
What did we get?
The cornhole.
Cornhole? Oh, that's cute.
I love cornhole.
Put it there in the bag. It's a
Now to play
cornhole. Wow.
Let me set it up.
I knew I will get a cornhole.
I didn't know there's cornhole.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, that's what that thing is. So I'm gonna attach.
Put it here. Center, yeah.
Gonna.
Oh, that's easy.
And cornhole number 2.
Yeah.
Go here.
Yeah. That's cute. Show the ano thing. Oh, wow.
There's
There's
2 of each.
Okay. Collectible shoe. Okay. What else we should get? So, have a check for the cornhole.
Okay, so
So,
there's.
these are the things that you need to collect. Yeah, we already got the cornhole.
Don't forget there's golf,
Yeah.
hockey,
Yeah.
bowling stuff.
Mm-hmm.